How to make a sticker from a video on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I will show you how you can make a sticker from objects that are in a video. Stickers are very popular in conversation. Apple has recognized this, and since version 17 offers the option to create a sticker by selecting something from a picture in your gallery. As this turned out very well, Apple took a step forward and now offers the option that you can do the same on one of the videos in your gallery. How? Open a video from your gallery. When you open the video, you stop him at the moment you want. After that, tap and hold on the object or person you want to add to your sticker collection. When this nice animation appears above the object, options will appear from which we will select the Add Sticker option. After that, a section will open where you can see all your stickers. As you can see, the sticker we wanted to add is there, and now we can use it in our conversation with friends. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.